Hello, my friends. It's Monday, and we are doing the Fun Foody Box Challenge collaboration today. I am so excited. I love doing this. It has been a great collaboration. You ladies are just amazing, wonderful. I am once again trying to catch up on everybody's videos and enjoying every minute of it. I was going to look and see if anyone had finished any challenges yet, but I hadn't. I did not look. I was going to kind of ask people, but I did finish a challenge the other day, I think. Oh, maybe I didn't finish it, actually. I think I did not finish it yet. But I was close to finishing. So this is hosted by Aussie Bee Budgets, The Bubbly Stuffer, Mum Wife Budget Life, Becca Budget 777, and Pink Plum Budgeting. Everyone is tagged down in my description. There are 23 of us that are doing this collaboration, and so go and check out their channels, watch their videos, subscribe to them. Be sure that you stay once you subscribe and watch those videos so that YouTube knows that you are a real person subscribing to their channel. Yeah, and then they will tell you how to go about getting all of these savings challenges for free. For mine, which is this one, the s'mores, my Ko-Fi site shop is down in the description, and you can click on that and go to it, and you will find this there to download for free. I did s'mores. It is one of mine and my grandson's favorite things. You will find us on Friday nights making s'mores. It's just a thing we've been doing this summer, and I am loving it. I need change, so I have $30, so that's 25, and I'm going to do ones, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and then I'll put this in here, and I am excited. I still have a lot of cards left. I've been doing it every week. I think this might be my 7th week. I am so uncomfortable right now with my slippers here. They're not new slippers, but they're not old slippers either, so they're just not broken in. And they're bothering me. Oh, well. Anyway, here we are. Let's do this. This tends to be a fairly short video, which is nice during the week to have this one, and the minis one is equally as short, and so that's kind of nice to have going on for you, so that you can watch something that's not going to take 45 to 50 minutes to watch. All right, are we ready? Let's see. Cross off one ingredient. Okay, so I'm going to save this because I get an ingredient for free, and I'm not sure if I want to do that or not. So if I get a high one towards the end and I don't have enough money, I might use that. I've been trying not to use them. Save double on the next card. I don't always use that one either, guys. Under budget and spent too much. Save 3 into your catch-all. So my catch-all is the cupcake one. I had to think about it. Where is... right there. So we're going to save $3. Each cupcake is $1. And some people used a different envelope for every savings challenge. I chose to use one envelope for all the money. Okay, search and save chocolate bars. Now mine, it has chocolate bars. Oh, I finished this one. I did finish one. Okay. So this actually, because it's finished, goes back here behind completed. But I'm going to put that back here. It makes more sense. Completed. And yay. Okay. So I think I have chocolate bars. I mean, I know I do, but I don't think I've used them. Chocolate bars right there. $5. Youch. That's all right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we can put that in there. Those are all the finished ones in this container here. Scoop of ice cream. Scoop of ice cream, $5. And I know there's only one. Wow, that's a lot right away, isn't it? 4, 5. I'm not doubling any of them, as you can tell. Capsicum, which looks like peppers to me. I could be wrong. Boy, the pizza was good today. We had 3 larges, and there was only like 2 pieces left over. That was it. If you can imagine. Capsicum, $4. Mum's pasta. Okay. $4. Cupcake savings. So those are $1 each. And I'm just going to put $1 in. I don't know if I need more of those or not, so I'm going to put it in there. Put it back in there. Save double on the next card. Search and save ginger. I don't remember where the ginger is. Garlic. Ginger, $2. I haven't done any on this one yet. Let's do purple for her because she's got pretty purple bows in her hair. Ginger, $2. How is everyone? I mean, it is Monday, right? And I've been busy. I've had cardiac rehab. I'm getting my nails done. My sister is here. So there's a lot going on. Parmesan cheese, $4. Let's see. Trying to do the cheapest one. And then Parmesan, $5. Then I have $3. Okay, that's the cheapest so far. Oh, that's it. Oh no, I've already done that one. $4. I guess that's it. Solo mom budgets. We're doing creamy chicken pasta with spinach. Tomorrow I have Eli all day. 4. That has to go back in. Oh no, spoiled food, save an extra $2. I think that means I'm going to put it in my cupcake one. But I think it might mean to add it on to the next one. But we're going to do it this way this time. Okay. I don't have much left. $4. Let's see what we turn up here. Mozzarella. But first, Do we have any that are close to being done? I thought we had one that is very close to being done. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's $5. Lamb meat. I don't have $5 left. I don't even think I have an extra dollar anywhere. Let me just check. Nope. Yep, I do. I have $1 left, so we're going to find the lamb meat. I did not do the mozzarella, right? It might take me a minute, but I do like, it feels so good to finish one every now and then. So we're going to do that. Provolone. This always makes me hungry. Lamb meat. Let's throw these in there as we're going. Broccoli. Broccoli. Ooh, peanut butter cups. Oh, that's on mine, actually. Lamb meat right there. And we have exactly $5 for it. And see, my game, my way, right? I do like to finish one off. I'm getting, you know, this is the second one. I don't have $1 to put in the bucket, but at least I finished it. Completed. This is by Vicky _plans_budgets. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I put that $1 in there, didn't I? All right. Yay. So let's see. We can put a band around this, I think. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Actually, I'm going to see about changing that up because I need ones for tomorrow. 15, 20, 25, right? For yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. For minis. I haven't done minis in a while, so I definitely need some ones. We're going to put this away. Last, let's see, we'll do this. I've been trying to do this every Monday, so hopefully we'll just keep going and slow but sure, it'll get done. All right, folks, I will see you real soon. Happy savings. Happy Monday. I hope you're all doing all right. Let me know what you're up to. Okay. Bye.